Oh, your poo is gonna smell so weird.
Savannah, this is your first turkey. What do you think? It's a good source of iron. Huh. What do you think?
You don't like it.
Yummy? No? Delicious.